Hello. Okay, I will show you how my indicator works now. See, all these white arrows are telling me it's going to spike. Right now I'm expecting a white arrow here before I can enter a sell, and now it's at the resistance. Like this red zone is telling me that the resistance. So when time crash get to a resistance, we normally do expect a spike. So now, okay, there is 50% probability that it will spike now. Then anytime the arrow shows, I will be 100% sure that, oh, this thing is going to spike. So let's just wait and see if it's going to spike now. Yeah, as you can see, we are waiting for the spike. So I will wait for 5 minutes and see if it's going to spike. But right now, with my knowledge, I'm expecting a spike around here and here or here. So any of the two. But right now, my indicator has given me 50% that I can enter the market. But I'm waiting for an arrow to show. Anytime the arrow shows, I'm going to enter a sell. But I can enter a sell now with a minimum lot size. So now I will just wait for the arrow to show, and then so I'll be more confident that this thing is going to spike and enter with a bigger lot size. So we are waiting. Okay, while waiting for that one, I want to check market now. Okay, let us quickly go and check the spike. This is just the third minute and see if that spike. Okay, as I told you, I'm expecting it to get around here before it spikes. But right now my arrow has not shown, so I'm still kind of free. Sorry, 8. Okay, let's go back to the spike. Sorry. Okay, we are waiting for it. So I'm expecting my arrow to show before I enter another sale with a big lot size. You know, I've entered one due to the resistance that I saw. That is the first indicator. Then the second indicator is going to confirm overall that this thing is going to spike. So let us watch and see. So it's at my point now, the point I predicted. But right now I'm still waiting for my arrow to show. So anytime my arrow shows, I will enter a sell, that white arrow, as you can see on the screen. So that's what I'm trying to wait for. But I'm kind of running out of time now. Oh, 6 minutes. Okay. I'm just waiting for the arrow to show, then boom, I'll enter my sell and get out of the market. Right, trying to break the resistance due to the arrow that has not shown. So the arrow will confirm to me that it's going to show, it's going to spike. I'm just waiting for the arrow to show, then I'll be in the market. I will open my second position. Yes, it has spiked. Nice one. The point I predicted, it spiked, but my arrow didn't show, telling me that it's kind of a spike that might not, you see, it's not even big. That might be a trend continuation spike. But right now, so guys, the indicator is not much. You can DM me and ask for the price. So thank you very much. That is the work of my indicator. All those three stores, they work together to give me a better entries in market. So thank you very much.